Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. One of my favorite snacks is roasted chickpeas. And for my family, as I mentioned in another video, we love to have anything that is flavored with ranch. So today I'm going to show you how to make roasted chickpeas flavored with ranch. It is so good and so easy. Literally all you need is your oven, a little bit of olive oil, some seasoning mix, which I have a link to another video to show you how to make the seasoning, and a can of chickpeas. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make our roasted chickpeas in our Ninja Foodi Grill. To start with, we're going to take our chickpeas and just go ahead and drain this can real quick. Okay, here's our chickpeas that I've gone ahead and drained and put into our Foodi Grill basket. And while those go ahead and dry, we're going to go ahead and preheat our Foodi Grill. We're going to put that on the bake function at 375 degrees. And we'll come back once it's done preheating. Okay, our Foodi Grill has preheated, so we're going to go ahead and take our basket of chickpeas and go ahead and set that in there. I'm going to set the timer here for 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to let that cook for 30 minutes, and I'm going to come back about the 15-minute mark and give it a quick stir as well, just to make sure that the chickpeas are getting heated evenly on all sides, and just to make sure I don't burn the tops of them. All right, let's come back and we'll check on these a little bit later. Okay, we have 3 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check our chickpeas. Oh, they are beautiful, nice and brown. Check that out. Yes. Very beautiful and brown, hard. Let's see how they taste. Yum, nice and crunchy. I'd say those are ready to go. Now, I know I did say about 30 minutes, but depending on how dry they got, you can go ahead and you might add a little bit of time or even take a little bit of time off. So give or take a couple minutes off that 30 minutes. Just make sure you check it yourself to see once the chickpeas get to the desired crispiness that you desire. All right, let's take our chickpeas out. I'm going to go ahead and put those into a bowl here. All right, we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to our chickpeas. This is to coat the chickpeas so that the mix will stick to it. There goes a rogue chickpea. Whoa. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of ranch powder mix. Now you can go ahead and use like a Hidden Valley mix if you want, or if you'd like, you can go ahead and follow the link that's attached to my video and go ahead and make the mix that we made ourselves. Go ahead and stir that in there. And this makes a real nice tasty treat. Yum, those look great. Let's try them. Fantastic. You are absolutely going to love these. Thanks for joining us in My Low Country Living as we made our ranch flavored roasted chickpeas. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this one. Thanks.